Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Taurus for the month of May 2020. I really hope you like it. And yes, but before that I just want to tell you that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the donation link is given in the description box below via PayPal and Google Pay. The second most important thing is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. The third important thing is that if you want to book one-on-one reading for online tarot learning courses via WhatsApp video call and Skype video call and Zoom video calls, the details are given in the description box below. The fourth most important thing, guys, is that I'm giving 5 Vasol giveaways personal reading for free of cost. So for that you have to like my video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, hashtag Vasol giveaway, and then we'll be choosing the winners. The winners will be announced in the first week of June. For that you also have to send the screenshot via Gmail given in the description box below. Okay. So yes, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, I have uploaded the reading for the month of April, May and June 2020. You can check out in my channel. And I've also uploaded collective readings for air, earth, fire and water signs. You can check out in the recent videos which I have uploaded. Okay. So let's check out what is coming up for you guys for the month of May 2020 in next 2 to 3 weeks. What will happen with you? Okay, so let's check it out. I'll be taking out 3 cards: the past, the present and the future. Okay, let's check it out. So the past, the present and the future. Okay, so I have pulled out 6 cards. If I need, I'll be clarifying it with the further cards. Okay, so we have Page of Swords, the Empress and the Lovers. I feel that you are working for your stability, okay, for your happiness. You are thinking about, currently you are thinking about some long-term goals. It might be related to your career life, it might be related to your love life. Take it however it resonates with you. Okay, so you are working towards your happiness and stability. You want something long-term. I also see that you are waiting for something, waiting for some news, waiting for some finances, anything it can be. You are waiting on something. I feel that you are more focused about stabilizing yourself when it comes to your finances, materialistic world. Okay, so you are thinking to stabilize yourself. You want a stability, an independent, stable life you are wishing for. Okay, I feel in the past something happened with you guys, and because of that you have a detachment energy. I'm having it like some sort of detachment is happening for sure. Okay, so yeah, let me clarify. Two of Pentacles. So yeah, you are walling up yourself. You are no more thinking about anyone in the past or present. Okay, so whatever deal you were going through in the past, you are no more thinking about it in the present, because you just want to focus on your materialistic world. You are just worried about your finances. Okay, so yes, just give me 1 minute. Okay, sorry. So yes, you are just worried about your finances. You are just waiting for your to stabilize your finances, to create your own finances, to create your own materialistic world. Okay, I also see a lot of tension into your past and present. Okay, lot of you are going through some lot of worries, anxiety issues, thought processes, weighing up between two choices, two decision, two options. You don't know how to go, where to go, how to proceed further, so you are just juggling between your head and heart. Okay, so yeah, I just really feel it. You are being patient enough. You have kept on patient for so long, and I feel that now your manifestations will come true when it comes to your finances or relationship, whatever it is you are wanting. The manifestations will be coming true for sure. Okay, let's check out your immediate future. We have Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, and Queen of Swords. Okay, an opportunity of long term, something related to either relationship or else your career life, whatever it is, an opportunity is coming for you guys. Okay, for sure. I think this is preferably for materialistic world, that means money. Okay, so an opportunity for money is definitely coming. Okay, I feel, here's an advice for you guys. I feel when you will start being an independent person, I feel that your past will be coming up into your life again. Okay, I think that they are not realizing how you independent can be. Okay, so that's why they are going away from you, I guess, or the kind of connection you wanted, it didn't happen in the past. So I feel that you have to be independent, single in your finances, in your money, and once you get that stability, I feel that the past connection will be coming back into your life. Okay, for sure. I also feel that in the upcoming future, immediate future, a brand new beginning can take place in with the past person, or else the new person in love. Okay, I feel in the immediate future, whatever it will be, you will be doing for yourself. You'll be very happy for yourself for whatever you are doing good for yourself when it comes to finances, money, relationship, whatever decisions you'll be making. You'll be very, very, very happy because you'll be working for yourself. Self love, keep it as your first priority. Okay, it's my advice for you. I feel also in the immediate future you will be emotionally fulfilled when it comes to your finances or your relationship, whatever it is you are dealing with at that point of time, but you'll be very much emotionally fulfilled. I feel a cycle is ending. A toxic situation, a cycle is ending because of the toxic situation, toxic people. So that cycle is ending for you guys. Okay, and that karmic cycle is ending for you guys, and I feel that a lot of happiness is waiting for you in the upcoming weeks, in the upcoming future. Okay, I feel that the past person which left you, or you left someone, whatever it is, they might be coming up for you again in the upcoming future. Okay, for sure, because I feel that either you will be taking action towards that person, which I don't think so, but either that person will be coming back into your life only and only when you will be feeling independent by yourself. Okay, with your finances, you will be taking care of yourself. I feel self love is the most important message for you guys. Okay, so let's check it out. One universal message for you guys for the month of May. Okay, so yes, and in the bottom of the deck is that. Okay, so this is Four of Swords and Three of Pentacles. That means that analyze yourself, think a lot, plan a lot, meditate a lot, sleep well, go for your meditation. Okay, analyze, contemplate, think a lot, plan, strategize things, and do it. Okay, don't wait for long, but do with the planning. And I also feel that you should go for meditation and yoga thing a lot. Okay, so you'll feel really better and relaxed. This is the message from the universe. Also, one more thing, universe is telling you to work with your expenses, whatever it is. Make yourself stable financially. Okay, do not think about someone else. Make yourself your first priority. when it comes to finances, because even if relationship is not going good, even if anything is not going on good, but you are being stable for yourself, that means then all the things will be coming up back into your life. Okay, but just universe is trying to tell you that keep yourself your first priority by making yourself stable, independent when it comes to your finances, materialistic world, anything. Okay, just be stable independently and be independent with your thoughts, actions and opinions and decisions. Okay, so self love is the most important key for you guys for this month. Okay, and work hard. Okay, and build yourself financially first. Okay, take decisions when it comes to your finances. Okay, so this is the message, universal message for you guys for the month of May. I hope this resonated with you. I hope you like this video. If it does resonated with you, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Also, one more important thing, comment down below what kind of videos you want me to upload. And also one more thing guys, I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, and check out my live sessions on daily basis on my Facebook page, Vasool Tarot Prediction, between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and you can ask me any specific question during that time. Okay, so yes guys, thank you so much. Bye.